Hello students! Today we are going to learn about fitness tests, and this is teacher Heidi. Everybody say fitness test. So these are the tests that we are going to undergo for our fitness. But before that, let us learn first the following words for our vocabulary. Strength. This one, look at the boy. When we say strength in Thai, one more time, strength. Next, stamina. Stamina meaning, one more time, stamina. Abdomen, this one. In Thai, abdomen. Next, muscles. Muscles, look at the picture. In Thai, one more time, muscles. Next, flexibility. Flexibility in Thai, look at the picture. All right. Balance. Balance in Thai, like this. Now, we will go to the fitness test that we have. The first one is what we call push-up test. Everybody say push-up test. Like this one in the picture. When we say push-up test, this test measures the strength of the upper body. This test measures the strength of the upper body. The hands and toes are touching the floor. Hands and toes. They are touching the floor with the body and legs in a straight line. Body and legs in a straight line. All right, read with teacher. The hands and toes are touching the floor with the body and legs in a straight line. Next one, 50-meter run test, like this. So you run for 50 meter. This is to test our stamina. One more time. This is to test our stamina. So running is to test our stamina. Next one, we have abdominal strength test. One more time. Abdominal strength test. This is to test how strong your abdomen is. This is to test how strong your abdomen is, like this in the picture. You need to lie down on the mat on the floor. Your head should rest on the mat, and your arms should cross over your chest, like this. Both legs are raised, while keeping the upper body flat on the mat for 5 seconds. Then, slowly lower the legs. Next, sit and reach flexibility test. One more time. Sit and reach flexibility test. This is to test the flexibility of the lower back muscle and the hamstring muscle. Lower back muscle and hamstring muscle. You need to sit on the floor. Extend your legs with the feet slightly apart. Place your hands on top of one another and slowly reach forward. One more, sit on the floor. Extend your legs with the feet slightly apart. Place your hands on top of one another and slowly reach forward. Sit and reach flexibility test. So this is how you do it. Next one, balancing test. One more time, balancing test. This is to test if we can maintain our balance while walking on an elevated beam. So this is to test if we can maintain our balance while walking on an elevated beam like this. A beam of 6 centimeters wide and 3 centimeters long is elevated and 30 centimeters from the floor. Step on one of the beam and walk to the other end. Turn and continue until you fall off from the beam. Like this one. Balancing test. Now let's go to the other one. We have alternate hand wall toes test. One more time. Alternate hand wall toes test. This is to test the hand-eye coordination. Test your hand and eye coordination. Stand facing a wall which is 1.5 meters away. A tennis ball is thrown with one hand to the wall. Then the ball is caught with the opposite hand. All right. So this is your alternate hand wall toes test. Now, let us go back to our fitness test. The first one is we have your push-up test like this. So this test measures the strength of the upper body. Next is 50-meter run test. This test is to test our stamina. Next, abdominal strength test. This is to test how strong your abdomen is. Next, sit and reach flexibility test. This is to test the flexibility of the lower back muscle and hamstring muscle. Next, balancing test. This is to test if we can maintain our balance while walking on an elevated beam. Next, alternate hand wall toes test. This is to test the hand and eye coordination. All right, so those are our fitness tests. So you can try to do them at home. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Teacher Heidi and see you again next time. Goodbye, everybody.